Service Office at Wilmington, Ohio. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties in Ohio. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Franklin County, Ohio, southeastern Delaware County, western Licking County, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Worthington, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Worthington, Bexley, Granville, Pawhuska, Johnstown, Minerva Park, Grandville South, Ohio State University, Beechwood Trail, Easton, Summit Station, Lake Darby, Whitehall, and Etna. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 90 and 103, and near mile marker 115. Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 106 and 121. You are listening to The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Muskingum, Perry, and Pickaway. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now looking at The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Licking County until 1:45 p.m. At 1:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Granville South, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Wind damage was reported in Gahanna in Franklin County with this storm. Source, radar indicated and train spotter confirmed. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newark, Heath, Granville, Hebron, Utica, Hanover, Granville South, Martin, St. Louisville, Fredonia, Toboso, U.S. Route 62 at State Route 661, Purity, and Fallsburg. Here is a special... The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Guernsey County, southern Coshocton County, northern Muskingum County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fredericksburg, or 12 miles north of Zanesville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar. Impact, damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Coshocton, West Lafayette, Dresden, Fredericksburg, Conesville, Plainfield,